Profit is not natural in business. Hindi porket nagnegosyo ka is kikita ka na. So, yan yung misconception ng marami nagnenegosyo. Akala na pag nagnegosyo sila, kikita sila. It's not. You have to be innovative. You have to be efficient. Kasi especially right now that everybody has the access on the same thing because of the internet, no? Because of social media. You have to get that same input. Pero pag ikaw ang gumamit, is multiple yung output. Mas malaki yung output. That's when you gain profit. So, yung concept na to, hindi yan intindihan lahat. Kaya maraming break even lang o yung iba pa nga nalulugi. One good example is people. The same person is level 3 on some companies pero pag pumasok sa kumpanya mo, because of your leadership skills, kaya mo siyang gawing 8, kaya mo siyang gawing 9. Compared sa other companies, level 3, sa'yo level 9. That's when you gain profit. So you have to understand that. That's why business is also a game of secrets. So secrets, access to a community, shortcuts, connections, mentor. Kaya napakahalaga, no? Aside from getting a community, you should have a mentor.